Assalamu alaikum everyone, ya kishirwa ya ibada. One of you dear indulgers on Facebook requested that I make kunu. So today I'm going to be making kunun kanwa. This is my favorite type of kunu. There are many varieties, but I hope this is the one that you are after. So into my large measuring cup, I've added a cup and a half of millet powder followed by my spices and a pinch of salt. I'm going to leave the measurements for all my spices up on the screen and in the description of this video. So once I've added my spices, I'm going to add a cup and a half of water, and with the wooden spoon I'm going to bring it all together so that I have a thick paste that I can easily pour. Now what makes Kunun Kanwa different from other kunu is that we're going to use kanwa. Kanwa is also known as potassium salt. It appears naturally in nature and we use it a lot in West African cuisine to soften beans and to do other things like make kunun kanwa. So I've added some hot water into my cup with my kunun kanwa, and once it has dissolved, I'm going to pour it into my pot of water. Here we have 2.3 liters of water. I'm going to remove 2 cups of water and set it aside for later. For all my viewers that are far from the African continent, you can use bicarbonate soda as a substitute. A teaspoon and a half would be perfect for this recipe. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, make sure you switch off your cooker. I forgot to do that, and so I developed some lumps in my kunu. So here I am whisking really quickly in order to loosen them up. But if you also have this problem, you can use a hand blender to smooth it out or a whisk. Once you transferred your kunu into your container of choice, you can go ahead and add those 2 cups of liquid that we removed earlier. As kunu cools down, it becomes very thick. So by saving this liquid, we're going to be able to control the thickness right before we enjoy it. So thank you for requesting this recipe. My family and I really did enjoy it. It's been a while since I had kunu, and I recall my 10-year-old self lining up opposite Darul Hadith Mosque here in Kumasi just to buy some kunu and fried chicken. It's been years since I've been there. I'm not sure if they still sell it. But one thing for certain is that spot was part of the great memories I had of holidays here in Ghana. Serve your kunu with some sugar, evaporated milk, and some groundnuts. Thank you so much for watching, and barakamu da shan ruwa.